Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashlyn. Today I am doing another little Lululemon haul. So I picked up a couple of things recently and just wanted to share with you what I got and how I've been liking it so far. So the first thing is what I'm wearing right now. This is the Rulu Run cropped half zip in the camo pattern, and I'm just gonna quickly just show you what it looks like on. It is so nice and it's so comfortable. It is cropped. I just love it. It has the thumb holes, it has some reflective detailing on the sleeves here. It is a half zip, so you can wear it like a turtleneck all the way up here, or you can undo it a little bit and bring it down to the halfway point. It's really flattering. It's the Rulu material, so it's so soft and comfortable. I've just been living in it, so really enjoying that. And then the next camo piece I got is actually this, the Break a Trail jacket right here. And again, it's in the same camo pattern. I'm super into this pattern right now. This one was actually on the We Made Too Much section of the website. It's just a great jacket overall. So some features here, they have a vented pocket on the inside, so when you undo it, it's like a pocket, but it also acts as an air vent in the chest area. There's some air vents on the side too here where you can zip it open. There's a hood, obviously. This is a great like rain jacket, windbreaker jacket to go out and about in, or for running. You can also roll up the sleeves, and there's this reflective Lululemon detail on both of the sleeves. And what I love about this is that there's actually a zipper on the left sleeve for checking your watch. Okay, so it's a bit of a tiny annoyance, but like sometimes I don't like when sleeves are too long because I can't see my watch just by checking. I have to like pull up my sleeve. So I love this detail of how you can like literally unzip it and check your watch. And yeah, there is a media pocket here, so you could put your earphone cable through there. There's the logo here in reflective detail. And yeah, just a great overall jacket, so I'm excited to be wearing that in the springtime. Next, I got two blue tops. This is the Train to Be short sleeve, and this is in the Rain Stripe Sheer Cloud Wash in True Navy. I love this top. It is like a little bit of a high-low, as you can see, and there's all these little air holes or ventilation holes in the fabric, so it's very lightweight, very breathable, and it also has the silverescent technology, which is basically like silver fibers woven into the fabric so that it doesn't produce odor-causing bacteria, so you smell good while you're in it. And yeah, I just love this print. I love the detail here of the logo being on a little black tag there, and I just really love this print as well. So got that. I've been wearing it a lot. As you can see, the tags are not on it. It's been great. Love it for working out, training, going to the gym, extra coverage. It's great. I love it. And then the next thing I got is the Love Crew in the size 6. By the way, all of these are size 6, just so that you know. So this is the Love Crew. It's a heathered chambray color, so it's like a grayish blue. Really love this. Also, the logo on the back is a matching color, which is really cute. This is just a very great everyday t-shirt. It's a classic fit, hip length, added lycra fiber for stretch and shape retention, made with breathable Pima cotton fabric for the ultimate in softness and stretch. It's good for a casual everyday wear. Excited to wear that. And then, saved the best for last, this is the SCUBA oversized funnel neck, and I got this in the size extra small. It is in the shade Rover, so this is a fairly new color. Just picked this up. I am obsessed with this new style. I love how it's a funnel neck and not a hoodie. This is what the back looks like. It has the logo stitched in, and it's just such a nice color. It's very neutral. It goes with everything. So it's very fleecy and soft on the inside, and it has the hair tie as a zipper at the front here. Yeah, the only difference is that the logo is on the back. There's no hood. It has its front pocket, little kangaroo pocket, with the internal mesh pocket as well, so you can put some smaller items more securely in there. It has the zipper garage, so when you are fully zipped up, this little piece of fabric right here goes over so that you don't get the zipper chafing on your chin, which is really thoughtful. I love that. And yeah, overall the fabric is very soft. It's oversized fit, waist length, high neck keeps you warm, and it's a blended light cotton fleece fabric which is naturally breathable, soft against your skin, and provides lightweight warmth. So this is just a very staple jumper that I'm so excited to wear, and I think it'll go with everything. So that's it for this little catch-up haul, just a couple of things here. If you're interested in checking out these items, I will link them in the description box, and if they are out of stock, I will link something very similar or a different color, so check it out. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more hauls, and I'm also thinking of adding some beauty videos back into my YouTube. I did start this channel as a beauty channel. Love makeup, love everything get ready with me style and everything like that. So stay tuned for some more content coming up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!